sundan mo ako at may gagawin ako. Guys, come here and I show you something. What is the meaning? I will tell you also what is the meaning of that.
Tupukin.
That one.
Kuntum.
What is the meaning of that? You see it, guys? What's the meaning of that? I don't know.
I know,
It's
guys.
already always empty, always empty.
I know, guys. See, bestseller in Hong Kong. Bestseller.
Bestseller in
Empty.
Hong Kong.
So that's why
because
empty
always,
already.
Always empty.
Pa.
But I don't know how to. And if you feel hot, you can choose which ice
Today is a summer.
You can choose which ice cream you like. But here in Hong Kong, even winter, they like to eat ice cream. So it's the same. And another one, come here.
Wait na!
And here is the cheapest ice cream here. 50 per 2 pack. One by one. Buy one, take one.
Mukang.
And that kind of ice cream have a flavor. Have strawberry flavor and
Melon.
melon flavor and mango flavor.
Watermelon.
And also Oreo have ice cream.
KitKat.
Aside from the biscuit.
Dapat kunwari nagtulak-tulak ka ng...
And now we go to park to sleep using our house, our cartoon to sleep in the park. Because during our holidays here in Hong Kong, we don't have house, so we use the cartoon to sleep in the park. And here is the sweet potato. This orange is very yummy, you know.
See the product of Philippines. You show them.
This is not a product.
No, the pineapple one. Show them.
The Philippine pineapple is available here. But you know
Show the name. Show the name.
You know how much this one is worth $18 and how much in the peso is maybe worth 100.
No, it's not
plus.
18 per piece.
18
Ah,
per
okay.
pieces.
Oh, it's so cheap, huh? So cheap.
Oh wow, it's cheap. I want to buy, but I can't go home now.
Later na. Not yet.
But it's not good.
Not yet.
It's very. It is very young, and then they pick it, so it's not so.
No, it's like that. It's like that. You smell it, so you will know. No wonder it's 18.
Hindi siya masyadong hilaw, tapos inanon nila.
Wala pa.
Wala nga,
Wala siyang amoy. Hindi pa. Still young.
Dapat ito is 20.
Fresh pa, oh. Tignan mo, fresh.
26 sana. Mahihinog yan, mag-yellow siya, pero yung pagka-yellow niya is yellowish. Hindi siya matamis.
Oh.
So,
From Thailand also. Show them for
do
Thailand.
you want to eat this?
From Thailand also.
I'm asking you, do you want to eat this?
What is this?
It's just like orange.
How much is it?
$32, I will pay it.
No need na. This one. No. It's not
I'm
nice.
just asking you, if you like to
No.
eat, then I can buy.
Not this one. No.
Because this one is sweet. Actually, it's so sweet.
No.
Sweet. I already buy.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I just buy yesterday and we eat already. So that's why I know it.
This one is 16.
But are you sure it is not soft? Because I don't like soft. I want the hard one.
I want to. Hard one.
But this one, you see, you make it like that, it's already soft.
Yeah, it is. Wait, Bilin.
This 19, but it's this.
Ah,
Huwag mong i-turn ng, kasi pag alam mo, mabilis yan.
explain. This is $19.
This
Oh.
$19, but it's already not fresh. This is already 5 days here.
Of course, ah.
This $19. It is yummy if cold, but if not cold,
From where this one? From China?
China.
Na, Bilin, cheap yun, ha? Cheap now, ha? Masarap to, oh.
Kaya nga,
Wala ka namang knife. Yan, strong pa yan.
Tingnan natin, hindi tayo.
So, see, very cheap, oh. Why very cheap?
Kaya, baka mamilindi pala siya, ano,
Per piece? 20 per piece or per...
per piece yan. Ay, oo nga. Per piece siguro kasi may piece.
Oh, a piece yan.
So, pieces yan.
Kasi pag ano, mayroon siyang dapat price, right?
Hindi kasi meron yung iba. Ano pala yun, hindi siya per piece, kundi 20
Per kilogram.
per kilogram.
Baka yan nga yan.
Pero PC naman, so baka piece yan. Piece.
You need to ask na.
You like, okay, we buy. But parang ganito.
The one, no, the yellow one, bilhin.
Ha?
The yellow one.
Ito?
Yung strong pa.
Ito kamo?
Maganda hindi. Hindi ito, oh.
Hindi, para siyang ano kasi ito. Parang, kasi nung isang araw pa ito nakalimutan ko pala na bumili. $20 lang.
Mas masarap matigas-tigas. Yung malaki na kasi.
Dito?
Ha?
Parehas lang dito. Ano ba to?
Nagbasit.
No anyone. No any bigger.
Di urayan tapay ni Ajay, ni Rokina. Napudot ton.
Napudot ko pa. Murayan fine.
Didamdaman to na. Betan naman.
Pag may custom. That one is pieces because this one
I win.
this is ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng mga ibang ibang things.
LB, oo.
Hindi nila hindi $13.
Oo.
Hindi 13 per
Kasi, ano siya, LV, 2 pieces. Ayan.
sabihin na ang ayaw ko pa yung nakikipag-away pa sa hindi
Mali
sila
naman.
magkaintindihan dun sa lang doon sa Chongquan noon nung mag-English na in-explain kasi sabi niya doon sa bakit daw ang mahal umabot ng 100 yung durian.
Bilin, punta ka doon, no, yung mga na-expired, sabihin mo, dito sa Hong Kong, hindi takot ang mga sa expired. Diyan ka, off ko, hindi.